the reasoning and thinking capabilities of Deepseek, a powerful AI tool designed to assist with complex problem solving and decision making. Whether you are a developer, a business professional, or just curious about AI, this video will show you how Deepseek can help you tackle challenging tasks with ease. Let's dive in. Deepseek excels in both reasoning and thinking, making it a versatile tool for tasks like data analysis, decision making, and even creative problem solving. So let us first explore Deepseek's reasoning capabilities, where it can analyze complex data, identify patterns, and provide logical solutions to problems. So for example, let me upload a CSV file where it contains dataset of sales figure and market trends, and let me ask some questions regarding this CSV file. So my first question is, what is the overall sales trend for product A over 6 months? Let's hit enter and see the response. So if you are interested in seeing the CSV, I can open it. So this shows month, product A sales, product B sales, product C sales, and total revenue. So what was the question? What is the overall sale trend for product A over 6 months? So it has given us for Jan 500 units, for Feb 550, 600, 580, 620, and 650. We can also ask another question like, so I'm asking what is the average monthly revenue for the 6-month period. So you can see how beautifully it has given us the response. Step 1 to sum the total revenue, and step 2 divide by the number of months, that is 6. You can even ask several questions regarding your document. Similarly, let me give one famous puzzle to Deepseek and ask it to solve. So I have this puzzle already pasted to save time. Let me quickly copy this and paste it over here. It says a farmer needs to transport a wolf, a goat, and a cabbage across a river using a small boat. The boat can only carry the farmer and one item at a time. If the wolf and goat are left alone without the farmer, the wolf will eat the goat. Similarly, if the goat and cabbage are left alone, the goat will eat the cabbage. How can the farmer safely transport all 3 items across the river without any harm? So this is a logical reasoning puzzle. Let's see how Deepseek performs. And you can see it has given us the steps how the farmer can safely transport all the 3, wolf, goat, and cabbage, across the river just by following these steps. Now let us look at Deepseek's thinking capabilities. This is where Deepseek goes beyond logic and starts simulating human-like thought process. So for instance, Deepseek can understand content, make decisions based on incomplete information, and can even generate creative ideas. So let me upload one image of the current stock market. So I have this image. Let me show you also, and let me ask some questions regarding this image. Question is, what are the current trends in the cryptocurrency market as indicated in the image? Let's see. Okay, so it has given us the right answer because this does not include specific information about the current trends in the cryptocurrency market. It focuses on the stock market indices. And you can see the image once again. Therefore, let me ask another question. Okay, again it says that this provided content does not include specific details about the performance of currency markets. Therefore, it has given us a general overview of how currency markets typically interact with the stock markets. Pretty fair. So we can modify our question or fine-tune our question to get the desired output. So let us look at the image once again. So we asked the question to compare the stock market indices for different companies in a tabular manner. So it has given us in a tabular format. You can even give a follow-up question. This is how the Deepseek utilizes its reasoning and thinking capabilities to the fullest. And that is it for this video. Thank you.